It's our pleasure to be part of this event. We're really looking forward to meet the participant here. And what we are doing is developing a new platform that is using advanced technology, that is artificial intelligence, to read and to deconstruct information for the environmental health and safety professionals. So what we are trying to do here is to share what we are doing that hopefully help others to do the work better and easier. Artificial intelligence is not going to replace the human. Don't be scared. But professionals that do not use advanced technology will be replaced for those that are stuck with the old fashioned. We need to innovate. We need to adapt ourselves, and adopt those technologies to move forward. So be open.